Rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echo